Hi folks, Alex Klingelhoefer here with Exential Wealth Advisors. It's OKC, CFA, CFP on Twitter. I wanted to answer a question I got from a client the other day, and I think it's pretty smart, pretty savvy. What investments are going to do well with Biden's infrastructure package? I think that's certainly a question a lot of folks are wanting to have answered so they can maybe have a little bit more of a tactical positioning on a go-forward basis. Well, I think it's pretty clear that materials companies have been doing very well this year, of course, with lumber, copper, steel, etc. All of these commodities doing very well. Commodity producers, miners have been doing very well. We have a select list named Martin Marietta Materials has been doing very well throughout this entire process. So really, when you're looking at Biden's infrastructure package, it's part and parcel of what we call the reflation trade that is happening right now. That is all of these miners, all of these metal companies, which really have been dormant for more than a decade, doing fairly well. Now, when looking at some of those companies, it's very important, and what we do, of course, with our select list, one of the acronym of select list is L for leadership. Many companies in the material space have pretty terrible governance. It's just sort of a fact of life when you're dealing with hard materials. You end up having international companies, you end up having companies here in the US with pretty poor leadership across the spectrum of reflationary assets. So when you are investing, when we are looking for plays within this space that are going to benefit from the infrastructure trade, we always want to look at leadership, always want to look at governance, because there are a lot of folks that can really benefit from commodity prices during booms, but then go bankrupt if commodity prices go bust. Management teams that can survive over a full cycle tend to do very well as commodity prices move up, as rising tide really lifts all boats, but we want to make sure we're in value-oriented investments long-term that are going to benefit from all portions of a commodity cycle. So that's how we think about the inflation trade. That's how we think really about all investing. We always want to identify good leadership teams that are always operating in the best interest of shareholders. If you want some additional information on our strategies, we've got some examples here on the channel. Feel free to subscribe. Feel free to follow me on Twitter. It's OKC, CFA, CFP. Until then, I'm out. Hey, thanks for watching our channel. If you want additional information and entertainment, go ahead and click the subscribe button. It's right here. You'll get our content before anyone else. If you have something you want to hear me talk about, we got a comment section down below. Why don't you click there, write something, and maybe we'll feature it tomorrow. Thanks.